Hi, I am Marc Boracchia, Chief Investment Officer at Boracchia Wiviott Wealth Partners. The current stock market environment has a notable amount of uncertainty, and I wanted to provide a brief stock market update. The Federal Reserve is continuing its purchasing of bonds in the stock market. They announced yesterday they are going to purchase more corporate bond ETFs and individual bonds. This has been a continued trend since March. The Fed's purchasing of these assets is the advanced pursuit of bailing out hedge funds, corporations, and the pension system. Whether you believe this is right or wrong does not matter. As investors, we want to position our capital accordingly. In my view, we are still in a cautious investing situation. Volatility above 30, speculation investing increasing, unemployment above 15%, corporate debt at all-time highs are just a few reasons to be cautious. Some investors are actually bidding up the stock price of bankrupt corporations, which is a guarantee of losing your capital. Equity shareholders get wiped out in a bankruptcy proceeding. Additionally, we are slowly approaching second quarter earnings calls where corporations will have to present economic reality of balance sheets, along with forward guidance of future earnings. This is when we will start seeing the effects of individual corporations that are levered, their inability to pay their debt interest payments. The insolvency phase will then begin. Remember that the Fed can purchase bonds, however, it can't buy revenues or provide jobs. Our macro investing thesis is understanding what all of this money printing means. Price charts are suggesting a move out of deflation and into an inflation environment. There will be asset classes and sectors that perform well in this setting. Inflation is the worst for people who do not own assets because the denominated currency purchasing power is deflating away while asset prices are increasing. Investing in assets is almost a necessity to keep up with inflation. Yet, understanding which assets to invest in and acknowledging the risk exposure is immensely important. Volatility strikingly high, we have seen equity sell off in a day or two, wiping out weeks of gains. The goal at Boracchia Wiviott Wealth Partners is to help everyday investors navigate the stock market while preserving, protecting, and growing your hard-earned capital. Subscribe today and start living your best life.